Good morning, friends. Many viewers have asked me a question about website and e-commerce. So today I'm going to cover answering that question. Like I do have stock or I do want to sell my product, but I don't want to show it to cart button. So there are two options to do that. One, Odoo is giving in latest version 18, like you can prevent sell where price are 0. Okay, so if you enable this option, and then add to cart button will be replaced by contact us. But how that is possible? So now if I enable that option and I go to my product and I add any new product, ecom 1, okay, let me just put a number, and then if I go to website and if I publish this, and if I see as a visitor I am not logged in, then I will be able to see it to cart and price. But now if I want to disable that, what should I do? So the option is whether you have price of 100, right? But you don't want to allow your customer to buy that, then you simply go to sales, product, price list, and then default price list. I will make all product price 0, and this default price list will be applicable in my website. So when I refresh it here, it will show not available for sale. That's how you can control it. Once you sign in, your customer signs in, and he will allocate a price list, then he will be able to see. This is first option. Second option I would like to explore more on. Let's see, I do have product, but I don't want to control by price list. Every product I don't want to make it 0. So I will disable that. I will go to my product, this ecom 1, where over here in sales, I will disable this out of stock option. And then inside message, what I can do is, let's say if I say continue selling, I disable and I don't have stock, then how Odoo will respond? So here they will see price, but it will show out of stock. But here I want to notify, then people can click here and submit their email, but I want to give here a contact us button also. Then what I will do, I will go over here in out of stock message, introduce a button over here. So let me see why it is not. Please contact us. See, if I do this, refresh, it will say please contact us, but I want people to redirect. So what I need is, I need a button, and then I will say contact us. Type URL will be our contact us page. So that's how. Let me check the contact us page link. So I am coming here. This is my contact us page link. So I will replace it over here inside my product. Okay. I save this, and once I refresh my shop page, then it will be linked like this, contact us, and then it will redirect to contact us page. I can make it even better by applying some style also. So I can say a primary button like this and apply it, then it will be showing like that. save this, coming back to here, refresh it. So it will show contact us like this. So this is how you can replace it to cart button or disable it to cart button by two ways, either making price 0 to some product or all product and then let customer sign in and see, or else show the price but don't allow it to cart and replace it with contact us page by continue selling disabling option. Hope this will help many people to set up this e-commerce strategy. Thank you.